Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex and it is a pleasure to have you back. So, oh my goodness, you're gonna notice that, it's been a little while since I've uploaded a video. Well, I have lots of things, to say about that. So, when it comes to, how long I've been out, well, unfortunately, I got sick, during that, during those long periods. In fact, I'm gonna bring my little thing over here. During that time where I got sick, I even wasn't even able to draw. So unfortunately, a lot of my progress got stagnant during that time. So the 14, you'll see this is from the 14. Unfortunately, I didn't even finish this page. And then boom, from the 14 all the way to the 5th and to the 18. So and then from the 21st to the 22nd, I started getting back into it. Which is something I just want to say right now. If you're ever in that position where you're really consistent with something, and then you got sick or something came up, and you're no longer able to do that same thing that you used to do, don't be too hard on yourself. It takes quite a bit of effort to get back into that into that routine again. So if you're someone who's exercised all the time, and then you got an injury, and then you've been out for like 2 months, and then you're slowly getting back into it, and you notice that everything's so much harder, it really stopping for a while really does hinder your progress. Well, at least it really slows you down, but as long as you're willing to put that effort in to get back into it, you'll be fine. So that's what I wanted to say. Unfortunately, I got sick for quite a while, and that really hindered my progress. But now that I'm feeling better, I want to get back into the motion of drawing every single day, because that was something I really enjoyed, and I didn't want to stop at the end of the year. Also, I'm recording this on Christmas, so Merry Christmas to all of you that celebrate Christmas. And if I don't make it in time, I also want to give you a Happy New Year as well, just in case in case I don't put out a video for New Year's. But still gonna be making content. Definitely still want to make content. Obviously, I got sick, wasn't able to even do my basic practice. But now that I'm feeling a lot better, I'm definitely going to get back on this, and then that way I can continue my progress, and that way I can start getting a lot better at drawing. I just wanted to update you all, let you know what's been going on with me personally. With that being said, my name is Alex. I do hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, why don't you give it a like and subscribe? I really appreciate that. That would make my Merry Christmas and Happy New Year as well. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.